I'd like to acknowledge Abakuse Global Radio for the job that has been done today at my mother's burial. I appreciate everything. I'd like to thank the following for their help to make it possible for us to have succeeded the way we did. I received a donation of tents from Richard Nyakundi. Same Richard sent me drinks. Same Richard sent me tents, drinks, water, and bread. They teamed with Mary Onkanga. I do appreciate them greatly for their help. They were there for me, I'll be there for them. Then Jairus Machani, my brother-in-law, thanks for picking up the bill on Gubagusi Group Radio on himself. I really appreciate that. That's what friendship is about, but it's more than a friend, it's my brother-in-law. And I'd like to thank people like Vincent Tongi, who sent more again after that. People like Vincent Ongangi Magembe, who chipped in again. Then there is Dr. Okindo, who sent me actually my favorite drink home, 2 bottles, which lasted us for a while because I had too many friends. Then I'd like to thank Robert Nyarusa, who has been staying with me ever since Mom went. I was with him in Nairobi, and I came down with him. He's been with us here, with Steve Nyamwaro. Steve Nyamwaro has been here almost every day, and Mom loved that guy so much with his wife and the kid. But then Mom is gone. And then I'd like to thank the whole Metro, all the guys in Arlington, Texas, for what they did for me. And then finally, there's a guy who flew in to attend my mother's funeral, the only one, Honorable Dominic Obanyi Mangerere. He just arrived here this morning. He was able to attend the funeral, but he's so sleepy, he has gone down to a nap, then he's coming back again tonight. So that is a sacrifice that I don't know where it comes from, but that shows what kind of friendship we have. And for all those who made phone calls, called me here, I know some of them I never answered back, some of them I wasn't even in the mood, but I thank all of them, those people who cared to give me a call after I lost my mom. I thank all of them. Don't forget that. And for the Ntiris Abakuse Global Radio, congratulations, man. Congratulations. You'll be up there one day. Thank you. My wife has something to say.
I just want to also thank you in addition to what my husband has said. I want to say thank you for the ladies for taking care of the kitchen. We wouldn't have done without you, and thank you. We really appreciated your help. And my sister-in-laws, my brother-in-laws, Jared, Zach, Sarah, Joyce, Madeline, you all stood with us. Thank you so much, and we really appreciate. God bless you all.
I forgot Charles Ombati was with us here. Don't forget Charles Ombati was with us here. He was with us at the hospital, and he has been coming here with the Nyamwara overnight. Thank you, guys.